Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today is 13 August, and 15 August is Independence Day, that is national festival in which we celebrate with great enthusiasm and joy. But sadly, is our focus more on organizing program and putting on show than understanding the true spirit of Independence Day. Today, I would like to present some messages of this day. First, value of freedom. Our freedom was achieved after countless sacrifices that given by Indian freedom fighters from every region and community. Therefore, protecting it is our responsibility. Second message is respect the constitution and laws. Because our freedom becomes meaningful only when every citizen receives dignity, justice, equality, and their rights. And last message is performing duty. It has no doubt that fulfilling responsibility is moral duty, while our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Every one of you is responsible for those who are under their care, and everyone will be accountable for their duties before Allah." It should be kept in our mind as well as the performing duty will be meaningless and totally null if don't stay away from corruption, adulteration, dishonesty that is harmful for the progress of country and nation. So please keep these messages in mind and don't forget it on this occasion.